1724, dealing with a William Sanoma ink white wooden table. So the SKU number is 2755505. So we can see that we have a desk with some drawers and some forelegs. And then to get the legs in, you just turn them so they fit these holes over here. And then it's either Allen or Torx. It looks like it's Allen. And then to get the desk out, it would make this thing very light, much lighter to handle. So on the bottom you have green, and then higher up you have black. But the secret is when you pull it out, you'll see a little tab that you can push down or lift up. One of those is the right one. So, but the secret is when you lift one up, the other one goes down. That's how it slides out. That could be true where one could be up and one's go down. So I don't know the exact combination or how you're holding this, but remember, if you flip it on one direction, it doesn't come out, change your combo. One up, one down, and change that one up, one down on the other side, and then you'll get this drawer out. Once you get this drawer out, then it's just easy for two people. And this should be kind of self-explanatory. Now we have this piece. We don't quite know where this piece goes, but I can tell you I see slots here.
It's a floating shelf.
Oh, so it comes with brackets.
Yeah, remember the two brackets we had that were inside? The two brackets are by themselves?
Oh, so the metal brackets goes in the wall.
I'm assuming so, yes.
And then this will bolt to that.
Yes.
Okay. So that's that. All right. And so the other side of this, the front view looks like this. And I've had my share of IKEA furniture, but this one feels good. Feels quality.
$400, John.
$4, new or used?
Used.
So it is more new?
You can Google that SKU, see what is so new. You have the model number you had up.
Oh, so everything is usually half price, so it's probably in the $800 to $900 range. Maybe $1,200. We'll do this and see if it comes out to over $1,000. See if we got a deal.